Getting enough vegetables into our diet can be really challenging, especially with busy schedules, picky eaters, or just not knowing where to start. But the truth is, eating more vegetables is one of the best things we can do for our health. They're full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that support everything from digestion to immunity. For me, one of the easiest and most delicious ways to get more veg in is by making a veggie-packed Nigerian stew. It's vibrant, flavorful, and full of nourishing ingredients that come together in one single pot or pan. Traditional Nigerian stew will often include things like chicken, beef, or fish, but for vegans and anyone who wants to try something a little different, making a veggie version of the stew provides you with the opportunity to pack in a wide variety of vegetables. If you have any veggies in the house that need to be used up at the end of the week, you can save on waste with a versatile recipe such as this one. Other types of vegetables that I have found work well include green beans, carrots, or even whole okra. One great cooking technique that can take this type of stew to the next level is to roast the vegetables first for even deeper and more complex flavors. We start with a classic Nigerian stew base: red peppers, tomatoes, onion, and chilli. Place them all in your blender or food processor and blend together until smooth. This is the heart of the stew, giving it that signature familiar flavor. Next, heat a little olive oil in a pan, then add some sliced red onions and chopped aubergines. Saute for a couple of minutes. This helps soften them and brings out their sweetness. Once they start to brown slightly, in goes the pepper tomato blend. Let it simmer for a few minutes uncovered, just enough for the flavors to deepen and the sauce to thicken slightly. What I love about this recipe is that it's simple and makes eating more vegetables feel less like a chore and more like something to look forward to. Next, we add in the chopped broccoli and kale, giving the stew a fresh burst of green and an extra boost of nutrients like vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants. Season with a little bit of salt, and that's it. Just let it simmer for another couple of minutes until everything is tender but still vibrant. When I make a vegetable packed stew like this, I usually serve it with some big tofu on the side, but you can also stir protein-rich foods directly into the stew, such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, or even vegan meat alternatives. You can serve this stew over rice, of course, but other great options include fonio, boiled plantain, or yam. It's hearty, satisfying, and incredibly customizable. I hope you give this one a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!